On April 23, 2021, the CNS Hainan, China's helicopter landing dock, was officially commissioned. With this new warship, China's maritime combat capability has clearly been raised to a new level. Accordingly, Hainan has joined the South Sea Fleet in charge of the South China Sea area. Chinese media hailed it as a divine weapon to capture the island, built for the purpose of unifying Taiwan and conquering islands. Hainan is the first of a total of 3 TAF 075 class landing helicopter docks. Ship was built by Hundong Shangguo Shipbuilding Company and launched on September 25, 2019. China's new Hainan, in form and function, is similar to the ones of the United States. The ship has a displacement of about 40,000 tons, a length of 237 meters, a beam of 36 meters. It is an impressive warship, outperforming its rivals in Asia. In modern naval warfare, large and long-deck amphibious assault ships are used for helicopter deployments. Fighter jets with the ability of short takeoff and vertical landing are extremely important. Besides being able to quickly transport fast-responding task force to hotspots that old forms could hardly meet. Another advantage of these landing helicopter docks is that it also plays the role of light aircraft carrier when necessary. Recognizing the advantages of such a design type, in 1917, China decided to embark on building a ship to equip its navy, forming the TAF 075 class. The overall design of Hainan is quite harmonious, with an island on the starboard side. The front of the flight deck is ostentatiously blocky and square. The island's superstructure area is home to sensors, processing systems, and common communications. It is unclear what radar systems and sensors will be installed on this ship. The TAF 075 launch appeared to have two large stern elevators connecting to the hangar deck and flight deck, allowing the aircraft to be brought up or lowered as needed. At the rear of the hull is a loading area with a well deck and stern gate. The well deck is a large, open area located at the waterline of ships that can be floated using ballast tanks to allow smaller watercraft to enter and leave the ship. The TAF 075 still uses conventional engines instead of installing nuclear reactors. The ship can reach speeds of up to 23 knots, can keep up with the People's Liberation Army Navy surface fleet. The Hainan TAF 075 is expected to be able to transport 30 attack or transport helicopters, marines, air cushion ships, armored vehicles, and even small submarines. In theory, China's TAF 075 landing helicopter dock will not be able to carry fighters, and China does not have any capable fighter aircraft like the F-35B. However, with the ability to carry such a number of helicopters, it is clear that TAF 075's sea combat capability is very dangerous. In the future, China will certainly try to develop a fighter line similar to US F-35B to deploy on board. It could be the J-26 fighter that the Chinese Navy mentioned earlier. Observing the published graphic images, it is easy to recognize that the J-26 uses an engine capable of rotating the exhaust downwards to create thrust similar to engine of the F-35B. This is a prerequisite for the aircraft to be able to operate on an amphibious warship. The onboard weaponry is fully self-defense, with two 30mm digital control closing weapon systems and two HHQ-10 surface-to-air missile launchers. When operational, the Type 075 will be protected by the accompanying fleet, allowing it to focus on its own battlefield role. China believes that once J-26 is officially equipped, the Type 075 will possess the power equivalent to the US World class. Unlike the domestic aircraft carriers, there is very little information or images related to the status of the Type 075. Currently, the Chinese Hudong shipyard is constructing two amphibious ships, the Type 075 and the Type 071. Both vessels are currently in the final stages. My video about Chinese CNS Hainan ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.